Hello Galactic family. Dear ones. There are new energies floating about. Once again, you perhaps feel a bit fuzzy or foggy, for the energies are likely causing you to jump between dimensions in ways you have not yet experienced. New emotions and physical capabilities you drift in and out of. Many proclaim such is so because of astrological happenings, even though astrological signs are mostly related to those of 3D and have little to do with you. Your fuzziness is an adjustment within your new being, for nothing is yet stabilized enough for others to proclaim how you will react. You do not always understand your new actions, so how can others predict how or why you will react? That is not to say that others cannot sense your direction options, but instead that others must be undergoing similar energies for them to understand what they sense or read within you. You are a new person. Something you often forget. So it is that you return to actions of old, expecting concrete results, only to discover there are no concrete results at this time. No one can inform you what lies in your future, even you. For you are changing daily. That which was important to you yesterday may not register today. You are indeed a new person. But why are your dreams shifting daily? How can you create your dreams if tomorrow your dreams are different? You are now discovering why you did not create your dreams a few months ago when you were prompted to do so. Perhaps this explanation appears to be a smokescreen for not realizing your dreams. Instead, deep within you, you knew you were evolving too rapidly and diversely to create your dreams at that time. Even though the common philosophy is that you create a dream and then change it according to how you shift, you had enough personal foresight to know that instead of adjusting within once you started that creation chain, you would focus on your creations and mostly ignore your inner growth. Those with in-depth knowledge about themselves in this transition opted to wait until they were more settled within their new being to create their dreams. So it is you are discovering that your new being is selecting different creation pieces daily. And you are waiting patiently until new you settles into your new stability, which will not be viable for a few weeks. For you are accepting new energies daily as you decide within your being which energies are appropriate for new you and which are not. Likely, you are also finding difficulties determining what gives you joy minute to minute, creating a restlessness and inability to verbalize who you are and what you want. This indecision will be short-lived, but intense, as you combine your fuzziness with constantly changing scenarios of who you are. Perhaps this concept seems frightening. Do not fret, for your being will incorporate those pieces that are most you when it is time to do so. But the next few days will be a bit like a child in a candy store with limited money to spend. I want chocolate. No. I want ice cream. No. That cupcake. And so it will go until you stabilize a bit. You will eventually select those pieces that best fit you in your new role. But such selections will not be instantaneous, creating confusion and perhaps discontent within you. This confusion will be short-lived and is about you realizing more of your personal options. For we hoped you would explore your new options a bit more than you have. So it is that we of the universes have included exploration energies into the current energy mix, encouraging you to feel as if you are that child in the candy store. You are exploring new worlds and ideas in both your wake and sleep time. Telling yourself, I want a bit of this, a tad of that and a dollop of that over there. Which allows you to create the complete new you that you wanted before entering Earth in this lifetime. Does this mean you will be a complete 5D or higher being after this energy flow? No, but that you will know what direction you wish to take and what dreams will fulfill that direction for now. It is a bit like deciding the direction of your college coursework. As a college freshman, You are exposed to many courses that do not necessarily hold your interest. At some point in your college career, you decide upon a major area of study. And following graduation, you more clearly define the jobs and activities that meet your needs and interests. You are now selecting your college area of study. Even though you may opt not to fully use those interests in the future, you will focus on those interests now, for they answer some need within your being. So it is, even though it may feel as if you are jumping from one interest or joy to another, allow that to be as you create your major study of interest. For once you complete this phase, you will select those pieces necessary to fully know new you. So be it. Amen.